Every once in a while, there may be a reason that a trader wants to close a certain position with inside of their bot, or maybe they want to pause the whole bot and close all positions out. In this video, we'll show you how to do that. Simply go over to your name, click on the drop-down menu, and then go into your My Bots section. Once you're in My Bots, you'll have all your open bots that are currently running, whether it's on paper trading or on one of your active brokerage accounts. If you want to shut the whole bot down, you simply would come over to the play sign and pause sign, pause, and you'll have three options. You can close out your trades immediately, you can manually close all your trades that are currently open, or you can let those open trades close as per the bot design, and the bot will just simply not open up any more positions. And then you would hit save. If you want to close out just one position, or maybe you just want to take a contract off of one of the positions, go into your Performance tab, click on Bot Trades, and then this window will populate all open positions and closed positions. So all positions that have been traded throughout the day will be here. So on your front page, you'll most likely have most of the active positions open. But if you want to double check, simply scroll over, and you'll see on your status if you have active, closed positions there. So it looks like we have Google that is currently open, TTD is currently open, and Meta is currently open. So let's just take a look how to close out one simple position. If you come over here to the Actions tab, all you need to do is hit the X for close. It'll pull up a trade window for you. In this trade window, you'll have the option to close out the whole position immediately at a limit price. So if you don't want to close out the whole position, you'd simply click on the quantity. Say, I just want to close out one contract, sell to close, and then you can add trade notes if you'd like. Reduce exposure. Simply come down. You would have a limit in for a credit of $12.40. Then you would hit submit. Then you have the trade window and you hit submit again. And now your bot will close out one contract of Meta while leaving the other two open, and it will still close out those two contracts as per the bot design. And that is it. If you have any other questions, please reach out to an Option Circle team member and we'll gladly walk you through the process. Thank you.